Hey everybody, figured I'd do an update on the modified I got here. This is the Ridge Runner modified. It's a Pinto body, so it's all mocked up right now. I went with a green and gold color. Everything's just sitting in place. I have the decals on. I have to silver the hood pins and give it a clear coat. The green paint went on real well. This is a Tester's lacquer, one coat lacquer. Yeah, I fixed that right there. I didn't notice that before, but the decal's starting to actually come up on that. But the motor's just sitting in there, the body's just sitting on. Roll cage is just chilling in there. It still needs a lot of painting done to it. It's just the base gold. Here's the trunk. Like I said in the previous videos, I cut it out. Now I did do a video where I was doing the cutting on this. I cut this off. I drilled and put that hole in there, and I put the sprue piece in there for the filler neck. And then I scribed these door lines. And I put the holes in there where the trim would normally be, so that way it looks like it's a Pinto body just taken off and actually made into a race car. But I screwed up and I actually deleted those files, so I don't have those anymore. So I deleted those and kept the wrong file on accident. So on this I still have to drill 2 holes. I should have did it before, and I don't know why I didn't. I couldn't have it mocked up the way I wanted to yet. But I'm going to drill a couple holes and put some hood pins in there. Really all it is going to be a wire that's coming up and over it. And then I'll put something there to simulate the base pin. But I end up going back with the 76 number, the one that actually comes in a kit. So these are the kit decals. I like the gold color with the green better, because I was going to use the decals that came with the 32 or 34, I can't remember which one it is exactly. The number was 54 and it was green, looked more of a modern, but I thought these would actually look better on it with that green color, and I think they do. Here is the filler neck that I have made. It's just a piece of aluminum with some heat shrink. I'm going to drill a hole in here, put a pin in there so I can glue it, and then have that coming out the other end. And then I'll probably put something on these sides here. But other than the chassis, everything on here, or other than the motor, everything's glued down on here so far. I have to do some weathering before I go any further. Next I'll be gluing the seat down, fire extinguisher, maybe put some wires in, the shifter, the pedals, and then I'll paint up the roll cage and get that in there. But for the back, I think 2 of the hood pins are going to come from underneath here. I'm going to use that support, and then the other 2 will probably come from the back part of the body. Well, with green rims, thought they turned out pretty good. But so I got a little bit of work left on this to do. It's nice and rigid. All the tires sit really well. But so far I'm pretty darn happy with the way this one has turned out. So let me know what you guys think. And until the next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.